Kasama ko nga, Firefly, be the player of the game natin, Japet Aguilar from Barangay Ginebra. Japet, tell me about what happens in the dugout kapag halftime. Kasi paglabas nyo, third quarter, nag-iibang kulay yung Barangay Ginebra, both on offense and defense. Overall, as a team, you dropped 30 points in the third quarter. Anong meron tuwing halftime? Anong sinasabi ni Coach Tim?
Ano lang, pinaparealize lang ni Coach Tim yung opportunity na nasa harap namin. So, sabi niya kanina, we have to treat this game like we don't have any advantage. So, yun yung pinaano niya sa amin, ni-remind niya sa amin.
And on this game also, pinakita nyo that offense doesn't win everything, it's really on defense.
Yeah, gusto namin during practice talagang may pinoint out si Coach Tim na pwede namin i-improve. Tapos yun, talagang nag-focus kami doon kasi parang iniisip namin pag sakaling nakapasok kami, at least ma-practice na namin.
Konting pahinga kasi ihintayin natin yung kabilang series, Meralco kontra TNT. Who would you rather? Maaga pang pasyado?
Siguro yung coaching staff namin, they're gonna do everything they can to keep us ready, keep us sharp. So,
Opportunity to thank the fans.
Pinapasalamatan ko lahat ng mga Ginebra fans. At saka binabati ko rin yung lola ko, yung mga tito at tita ko, mga kababayan ko sa Sasmo, Pampanga, manager ko, Boss Danny, Marvin, and Matt, mama at papa ko, sister ko, and my girlfriend. And also kay Boss RSA. At saka sa tita ko, Tita Juanita ko nandito.
Congratulations, Japet Aguilar, gentlemen.